What is cladistics, and why does it make us fish? You might be familiar with this type of diagram. It's called a cladogram, and it shows us how different groups are related to each other. The groups at the end of the lines are called clades, and the lines show common ancestry. For example, these two clades share a common ancestor here, meaning that they might share a common characteristic that is said to be ancestral to them. Essentially, these two share a trait and this one doesn't, so the last common ancestor of these two must have had that trait. Okay, so now we know how to read a cladogram, but what does that have to do with fish? Well, an important rule in cladistics is that an organism cannot evolve out of a clade. So imagine that just like at the ends of the lines, the last common ancestor here forms its own clade. This means that these two clades both belong to the same clade, like how saurischians and ornithischians are both dinosaurs. This is why we say birds are dinosaurs, not dinosaurs evolved into birds, since birds still belong to the clade Dinosauria. This means that even though we refer to more familiar animals by their most recent clades, from a cladistic standpoint, you, me, your dog, the birds outside, and even desert-dwelling camels are all fish. Maybe that's why we all feel so at home by the sea.